I would like to address this issue of Moreland. Now, as you all know, Moreland has two protected areas. One being the Moreland National Park and other the one Mohammed Wildlife Diversity which is present in this area. Now, at what cost? Now, this Moreland protected areas are said to be the hotspots in the world. Now, there are some endemic plant and animal species which we call them as flora and fauna, which are very much found only in these protected areas in Wales. Now, are we destroying all this just for the development sake that the government is saying? No, we cannot. Now, all this is being done for some selfish interest for certain industries, and in no way it is helping the economy of Goa. Now, as we know, the double tracking as well as the coal that is being transported is for the neighboring states, that is for Karnataka as well as Maharashtra. Now, we cannot be the coal corridor, destroy our environment and give advantage to our neighboring states. They well can have their own ports for unloading, but not at the sake of our environment. Okay, recently CM made a statement saying that whatever trees are being felled in Goa, that is almost 1 lakh, they will be afforested in the neighboring state. Indirectly, CM is admitting that we do not have land for afforestation, but it does have the land for destruction. I would like to request the youth as well as the students of our village to be the part of this Save Moreland campaign. Now, throughout the state, there are many students as well as youngsters and the youth who are involved with the Save Moreland project. With this, I would like to end. Save Moreland, Save Goa, Jai Hind.
आणि फेस्ताची पोरबी इट्स अ व्हेरी स्पेशल डे. जशें बाय फ्रिडान तुमकां एक्सप्लेन केलां अबाउट द प्रोजेक्ट ताका हांव वाचलाय ना, पण हांव फकत तुमकां सांगूंक सोदतां की हे कोणाक दे आर ब्रिंगींग इट इन द नेम ऑफ डेव्हलपमेंट. कसला डेव्हलपमेंट? कोणाक डेव्हलपमेंट? हे पळय डबल ट्रॅकिंग आहा जे आमच्या चीफ मिनिस्टरान सांगलां that it will benefit the people of Goa. In what way? हांव विचारूंक सोदतां. In what way? सद्या ज्यो ट्रेनी आहा पॅसेंजर ट्रेन, the frequency is very less. ट्रॅक्स आहात ऑलरेडी, but पॅसेंजर ट्रेन तुमकां खबर आहा the frequency is very less. तांकां तर जाय जाल्यार नंबर ऑफ पॅसेंजर ट्रेन इनक्रीज करूंक जाता, ते करिनात. एवरी रेल्वे बजेटान तुमी आयकलां आसतलें, they are always giving additional trains. एका स्टेटीक खंयच्या स्टेटीक where there is a vote bank तांकां दितात, जाल्यार गोंयान कित्याक दिनात? हातून कळून येता की हो पळय डबल ट्रॅकिंग करूंक सोदता, इट इज ओन्ली टू ट्रान्सपोर्ट कोल. आनी ही कॉन्स्पिरसी आहा ती तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आहा. जे क्रोनिक कॅपिटलिस्ट म्हणटा आमी, गिव एंड टेक, पॉलिटिशियनांक दिवन फायदो काडटात. ज्या इंडस्ट्रियलिस्टांनी पयशे दिवन हिंचे एके पार्टयेक पावरान हाडलेली, नाव इट इज पे बॅक टायम, ते आपणाचे पत्ते मागतात आपणाक फायदो. आनी तो फायदो कसलो तुमकां खबर आहा? ऑस्ट्रेलिया क्वीन्सलँड म्हणून एक गांव आहा, थिंचोर एक कार्मायकल म्हणून एक कोल मायन आहा, आनी थिंचोरलो लोक प्रोटेस्ट करतात की थंयचोर कोरल रीफ पळय आहा ते डिस्ट्रॉय जातले. आनी तो कोल खूंय येवपाचो आहा, तो कोल गोंया येवपाचो आहा एमपीटी. आनी एमपीटीन सावन कोणाक वेतलो? एज पर द स्टडी कॅरीड आउट, द टोटल रिक्वायरमेंट जो जाय पडटलो कोळशाचो तो 136 मिलियन टन्स पर एनम पर इयर. 136 मिलियन टन. आयज एमपीटीची कॅपॅसिटी इज ओन्ली 12 मिलियन टन्स, आनी विथ ओन्ली 12 मिलियन टन्स आमकां इतलो त्रास जाता हांगा. सो तुमी पळयात 136 मिलियन टन म्हणजे 12 पावट सुबेज जाय तांकां. कितले पावट तांकां सुबेज जाय? 10 पावट, सॉरी 10 फावट वयर सुबेज जाय तांकां कोळसो. सो कितें करूंक सोदता ते आतां तुमकां गमलें की एमपीटीच्यान टोटल कॅपॅसिटी बाय 2030 म्हणजे आनीक 10 वर्सांनी एक्सपांड पासून केल्यार दे विल बी एबल टू हँडल ओनली 51 मिलियन टन्स, 50 आनी 1 मिलियन टन्स. सो उरलेलो कोल कसो येतलो तुमकां खबर आहा. आमचे 6 न्हंयो गेल्ल्यो नॅशनलायजेशन November 25, 2016, the then Chief Minister Shri Lakshmikant Parshekar, जेन्ना टर्म काबार जाताली, in the middle of the night ताणें सायन मारली. The bill has been examined and you can take away the 6 rivers. आमचे कडेन RTI रिप्लाय आहा तो. अशें करून 6 न्हंयो गेल्ल्यो आनी तेन्ना आमी विचारलें वाय नॅशनलायजेशन ऑफ रिवर्स इन गोवा. आनी तेन्ना आमकां दुबाव लागुल्लो की म्हाका दिसता एमपीटी कडेन कॅपॅसिटी जायना जाल्यार न्हंयेनसान वतले म्हूण. आयज तें आमी जें सस्पेक्ट केल्लें तें खरें जावन येता. आयज जें नॅशनलायजेशन ऑफ हायवेज जाता तें कित्याक लागून, कित्याक उरलेलो कोळसो कसो वेतलो. बिकॉज युअर ट्रॅक्स पळय आहा तो कोळसो वेतलो टू कर्नाटका. The companies which are based in Karnataka, which are based on coal. And a national highway by Zata expansion, that coal will be taken to Maharashtra, south of Maharashtra, north of Goa. That is why you all should understand, nationalization of highways and expansion from Kankon to Patradevi is basically to take the coal to Maharashtra, and this double tracking is to take the coal to Karnataka. This is the only aim. आणि हे कोळशाक लागून कितें जाता आयज तुमकां खबर आहा वी आर अंडर अ पेंडेमिक वर्ल्ड ओवर. वी फेल व्हेरी प्राउड जेन्ना गोवा वॉज डिक्लेअर्ड एज अ ग्रीन झोन. आणि आयज आय डोंट नो वेदर वी शुड कॉल रेड झोन ऑर ब्लॅक झोन. कित्याक 70% ऑफ द केसीस कोविडाच्यो जाल्ल्यो आहा इट इज इन वास्को. वाय वास्को? आमकां जी इम्युनिटी आहा, आमची जी पुलमा आहात दोज आर स्ट्रॉंग इनफ टू फाईट एनी व्हायरस. बट वास्को पीपल कॅनॉट फाईट अ व्हायरस. वाय? इट्स बिकॉज द पीपल ऑफ वास्को आर एक्सपोज टू कंटिन्युअस इनहेलेशन ऑफ कोल डस्ट. म्हणजे खंय पर कोल हँडलिंग जाता तो डस्ट कंटिन्युअसली आमच्या पुलमांनी येता आनी आमची पुलमा फ्राक जाल्ली आहा, वीक जाल्ली आहा. अँड दॅट इज वाय पीपल आर डायंग इन वास्को. हे 14 वर्साचे भुरगे थोडे दीस पहिले तुम्ही वाचला आसतले ते मेले बाबडे. आख्खे लायफ ताचे फुडल्यान पडलेले आहले. इवन द चेअरपर्सन ऑफ MMC राऊत म्हणटा पळय ताका जालो. एक MMC कावन्सिलर बाब पास्कोवाल तो पिड्डेर जालो. आनी तरी पूण हो सरकार तांचे दोळे धांपून दवरलेले आहा. जेन्ना आमी सांगले प्लीज लॉकडावन वास्को, लॉकडावन वास्को, इवन ते 2 MLA आहले दाबोलीम आनी वास्को ते म्हणपाक लागले लॉकडावन करा. ते आमकां तुका सांगता कित्याक पयलें. बट चीफ मिनिस्टर सेड नो लॉकडावन. वाय? बिकॉज देर वॉज कोल हँडलिंग टेकिंग प्लेस. एक शीप आयिल्ली फूल ऑफ कोल आनी त्या कोलाक लागून दे रिफ्यूज टू डू लॉकडावन. आनी त्या पासत यू कॅन सी वॉट हॅज हॅपन. आनी हे पळय 2 MLA आहले आवाज कोत्ताले वाय दे वॉज सेईंग लॉकडावन आनी सडनली बंद जाले. बिकॉज their mouths were stuffed with notes. So Milind Naikak Meutale, they also started getting the share, including Mobin Gudino. Why is he keeping his mouth shut? Why not a single MLA is there today? Ugdas Dorat, when the elections come in another 1.5 years, these very people will come to your door. And Ami, I saw Independence Day, I Ami Gulam Dalle ha. When the elections come, when they come and jenna noti dakoita, we again become Gulam ya lokanche. And that is why today when we protest, they are not ready to listen because they म्हणटा कितें आमी वोटां विकती घेतल्यान. We have bought the votes. त्या पासत आमचे चिंते नाका. आमच्या पुर्वजांनी आपणाचे लायफ दिल्ले, प्राण दिलो, रोगत दिले. So that you and I and everybody remains free citizens, independent citizens. But we have become slaves. Let us, eyes, एक आमी वाव घेवया, एक प्रॉमिस करूया की we will fight to stop this nonsense which is going on, this double tracking which is meant to bring coal, so that amchi burgi they don't become slaves and fall prey to coal dust, to diseases, respiratory, cancer, stroke. सो हांव तुमचे कडेन उपकार मागता. द नेम दॅट सजेस्ट गोंयचो एकवट, आमी एकवटान रावया. जेन्ना लोक एकवट जाता, however powerful the politician is, he will have to bend, he will have to listen to the voice of people. So म्हाका आशा आहा that we will remain united. आमची शेजारी, सोयरी, भुरगीं सगळीं एक जावन आमी हें झूज कॉमेस केलां तें फुडें व्हरया. सगळो लोक कटिंग अक्रॉस रिलीजन, कास्ट, क्रीड, लँग्वेजीस एक जावन आमी फुडें येवया आनी ह्या सरकाराक आमची मांग जी आहा, नो डबल ट्रॅकिंग, नो कोल, तांणी जरूर आमचें आयकोचें पडटलें. देव बरें करूं.
देवाने पळयली नाजाल्यार महाराष्ट्रालो ते म्हणजे आपण बोगले बोगले कितें उलोवपा ते तुम सगळीं येयले म्हूण थँक्यू तुमकां. म्हजें नांव सुजय काबराल, राजू काबराल म्हणटाय म्हाका. हांव गांवांत नागेचो. आतां तूं म्हणटाले नागे गांवचो लोक कित्याक पावलो तुमी पयले लोक नागेचो थोडे लोक. आज लोक येयला नुवेचो, वेंगेचो, लोटलेचो आनी सगळे कावेरीचो, वास्कोचो फकत दाखोवपाक गोंयचो एकवट कितलो आनी गोंयचो एकवट हो धाकलेशे आमगेले एक 10 दीस पयलीं धाकलेशे एक आमगेले गॅदरींग जाल्लेले. आज कासाले फ्रॉम वास्को टू कासाले 1000 मायज लोक आमचो येवन गेलो. आनी तांकां सांगलें सोशल डिस्टन्स मातशें येयला काय म्हूण ताका लागून ती येयली नाय. तरी पासून आनी मुखार जाले जाल्यार एक 5000 लोक आमकां रावता. मातशें पावस येयलो आमी डिले जातले पूण एक तुम सकाळी एक आज हॅपी क्रिसमस एक जोक सांगता. आनी जोक हें जालो, हांव सकाळी in the morning when I got up, my wife told me, "Are today is Independence Day. Why are you wearing black shirt and going?" I said, "Today is not Independence Day. Today is mourning day. Today is mourning day for the people of coastal line, for the people who live along the coast, for the people who are going to suffer." हें दूख हांवें गायलां आनी हें दूख जायचा म्हज्या भावान गायलां. कित्याक this is going to be our life if double tracking happens, if coal will come to Goa. And I am there for you. The people along this entire constituency is there for you. And that is why this is the support that we have to give Goinso Ekot. As a member, I will be there and all the other members will be fighting to stop this happening. Thank you. Short time गेला. मातशें आमच्या विन्सी बाबाक थोडे 2 उतरां म्हणपाक हांव हें करतां.
So it is a matter of deep concern to all the people of Goa. कुछ अभी हम आते हैं कि अच्छा रेलवे न्यूज़ आता कि Indian Railways doesn't have money to pay salaries. So it is difficult to understand when you are not able to bear the cost of running the railways. Why are you expanding? At whose cost? And why are the people suffering, going to suffer? Today the railways may be paying out for the properties and this and that. But the ill health, लोग मतलो तेल की जाताले कोण दितलो तेका. So I think we should stand united for this cause, and I am sure that if we are united, we should remember we are not in a race. We are a race. We are together. We should fight out together and we will win. Thank you.
First, I welcome the executive committee and all who have come from so far to Tonda. Who have come here and taking so much, spending their days and nights as we get messages on our mobiles, how hard you are working for this cause. And as a Uttarakhand, as a local man, I would like to speak for Uttarakhand. The history of Uttarakhand with Konkan Railway from 1990, many are here. And we are so happy today that to see so many from Uttarakhand here. And Uttarakhand was the epicenter of the struggle that time. In fact, if you take the entire village of Uttarakhand was the village where the struggle started. And I know that many people from Uttarakhand were even charge sheeted. Our parish priest, Father Dias, that time was charge sheeted. And the entire focus was Uttarakhand. My friends, Uttarakhand, the entire sector which is going to be, this is already acquired. But what survey was done last 2-3 months back when they came here, all those people here around Uttarakhand, they cannot come out of their house because the land in front is acquired. The land in front is acquired, and so they have to go, they have to find new routes to come out of their house. and it's going to be a disaster for Uttarakhand and Uttarakhand, Majorda and Kalada. I don't have to tell Uttarakhand people to come out. They have come today. When you will give the call for a major convention, you will see that Uttarakhand will be primarily that thousands will be from Uttarakhand for this convention. Because Uttarakhand knows what facility, what difficulties we are going to face. That's the railway line. Plus you imagine what the coal is going to do to us. He just said, Captain just said about coal in Vasco. Imagine the coal coming along this route, entire Uttarakhand will be polluted. And the entire Uttarakhand, when you also say the punch, an extra punch, Majorda and Kalata also will be affected. And this is not only Uttarakhand, the entire route will be affected. So, I want to assure you all, our Bruno is there and few people are there in the committee of conduct and all, but I want to assure you, whenever you are looking at the call, Uttarakhand will be there and will be by our side. Thank you once again and all the best.
Thank you, Thank you, Jai Hind.